Hey there everyone, Jeff here. Welcome back to Imagination Tech. So you may recall I posted a video about a month ago where I lost my Glide 5-inch quad. So I never recovered that quad, nor the GoPro that was on it. So today is a very special day because this package finally arrived. Let's go ahead and take a look. So if you know me, I really like classic, quads. I got an Oblivion back in 2019, I think, or 2018, which was a bit old, a few years old by that time, and that never stopped me from liking that Oblivion frame. And it's just like when you're a car guy, probably, and you get an old car, like an old Mustang, cars from the 1970s, muscle cars from the 1970s or 60s. I don't know. I'm not a car guy, so not really sure if that analogy holds. But this is a package from Leo, and he had just shipped this yesterday, so I'm quite surprised that it already arrived today. It seems Leo did a very good job at packing this thing. Make sure it's safe and secure for the transit. Wow, that's a lot of bubble wrap. Finally, let me show you what I got. So finally, I've gotten myself an Ummagawd Remix V1 frame. This is a V1 frame. I'm not sure if I can still get a V2 conversion kit, but the basic difference is just the arms and the camera plate. This is a fully built quad. It has Xing-E motors, it has Crossfire, it has TBS Unify Pro Evo VTX, it has a Runcam Swift, I think, and Matek F7 flight controller. So it's pretty. It's not a cheap build, but I got it for around $220, $240. I'm not sure about the exchange rate. So yeah, I can't wait to fly this thing. I also got a Hero 6 from someone I know, so that should be arriving maybe tomorrow or Saturday, so just in time for us to get to fly this thing. So I got an Ummagawd Remix.
Does it come in black?